Welcome to my channel Travel Guide Air Canada check-in process. A step-by-step guide flying with Air Canada? Start your journey stress-free with this complete guide to their check-in process. From online and mobile check-in to airport kiosks and counters, we cover 10 essential tips every traveler should know. Whether you're flying domestic or international, learn how to save time, avoid last-minute hassles, and breeze through your journey with Air Canada in 2025. 1. Start early with online check-in, 24 hours window. Begin the process 24 hours before departure via aircanada.com or the Air Canada app. Enter your 6-character booking reference or e-ticket number, plus last name. This skips airport queues and lets you select seats or add extras like meals. It's ideal for most passengers, but not available if traveling with infants, pets, or special requests. Those require agent assistance. 2. Gather required documents. Have your passport, for international flights, government-issued ID, for domestic, visa if needed, and booking details ready. For US-bound flights, ensure ESTA approval. For other destinations, check entry rules via Air Canada's Travel Ready Hub. Medical cannabis or special items need documentation for security. Pro tip: verify COVID-19 or health requirements 72 hours prior, as they evolve quickly. 3. Mobile check-in. 4. On-the-go travelers use the Air Canada app for seamless check-in from 24 hours out. Scan your passport via the app for faster verification, confirm baggage, and receive a digital boarding pass via email or SMS. Eligible for electronic passes if no checked bags or special needs, otherwise, print at a kiosk. Download the app in advance to avoid Wi-Fi hassles. 4. Airport kiosk. Self-service at the airport. Kiosks open 12 hours before departure, 45 minutes minimum for domestic. Scan your passport or enter booking info, select seats, print boarding passes and bag tags. Perfect for last-minute changes or if you prefer touchscreens over apps. Locations assigned near check-in counters, use them to bypass lines, see. 5. Counter check-in as backup for groups over 9, unaccompanied minors, or mobility aids. Head to the agent counter. Opens 4 hours early for bag drops, closes 60 minutes before departure. All flights post September 2024 update, except Toronto Billy Bishop at 30 minutes. Agents handle complex itineraries, like code shares. Check with the operating airline if not Air Canada. 6. Baggage drop-off rules. Drop checked bags up to 4 hours early to beat crowds, but no later than 60 minutes pre-departure, 45 for domestic bag drop. Use kiosks for tags, then dedicated drop lanes. Fees apply beyond allowance, e.g., $30 $100 Canadian first bag, varying by route. Military get extras. Oversized items like sports gear need prior approval. 7. Security screening. Prep post check-in. Proceed to security with liquids in 100 ml containers, 311 rule, and electronics out. International travelers, expect US pre-clearance at Canadian airports, adding 30 to 60 minutes. Use clear or known traveler lanes if enrolled. Aim for 2 to 3 hours early arrival to buffer delays. 8. Seat selection and upgrades during check-in. View the seat map to choose or change seats. Fees may apply for non-premium. Preferred seats cost $20 to $100 CAD. Confirm family seating early. Upgrades via app or counter if available. Pro: early birds get aisle, window perks. 9. Special assistance requests. Notify Air Canada 48 hours ahead for wheelchairs, service animals, or medical needs. Agents assist at check-in. Guide dogs count as carry-ons. For unaccompanied minors, 5 to 14 years, mandatory counter service with forms. Accessibility services extend to boarding. 10. Boarding and final tips. Boarding starts 30 to 45 minutes before departure. Gates close 15 to 20 minutes prior, varies by airport. Listen for group calls. Pre-board for families, disabled. Track flights via app for gate changes. Tip: check in ASAP for better seats. Arrive 2 to 3 hours early at hubs like Toronto Pearson, and use the app for real-time updates to avoid stress. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.